Welcome to Artec. Today I'm going to teach you how to program Victron's battery monitors for a Lynx BMS and Victron Smart Lithium battery series, specifically the Smart Shunts and the BMV series. The first step is going to be to open up Victron Connect on your iOS or Android device. When you open this, it's going to show you your devices both locally and on VRM. I'm going to select the battery monitor of choice, a BMV 712 in this case, to program. Now we're on the main page for the BMV 712, you'll see the cog in the top right hand corner to take you to the settings. Once I'm in the settings, I'm going to select battery, which is where I'm going to select all of the parameters specific to the Victron batteries we're programming. The first parameter is battery capacity. In this case, I have a 50 amp hour Smart Lithium bank on our test bench. The second parameter is charged voltage. For Victron, I'm going to leave this as 14. The third parameter is discharge floor. I like setting this to 15% as it gives me a little bit more of a buffer. The fourth parameter is tail current. I'm going to leave this as 4%. The charge detection time, I'm also going to leave at 3 minutes. And the Puket exponent, I'm going to set to 1.05. This typically comes from factory as 1.25. The charge efficiency factor also comes from factory at 95%. For lithiums, we want to change this to 99%. I'm going to leave the current threshold at 0.1 amps and the time to go averaging period at 3 minutes. For battery SOC on reset, I'm going to keep this as keep SOC. This means that if the battery was to disconnect, upon reconnecting, it would go back to the last known state of charge. If your battery does lose connection, I recommend putting it through a full charge cycle. It needs to go through this full charge cycle to recalibrate its state of charge. Underneath this, it gives me the ability to set my state of charge manually. I never do this as it's always more accurate to set this through a full charge cycle. Thanks for following along today as I teach you how to program a Victron battery monitor specifically for the Lynx BMS and Victron Smart Lithium batteries. If you have any questions, please reach out to our staff, and as always, I'll add all of the appropriate links to the description below.